What if I told you one lost pair of shoes changed world cinema forever? Hello everyone. This is a part of a series where we explore Iranian cinema and the filmmaker who shaped it. And today we begin with one of the most influential voices. That one lost pair of shoes comes from the film Children of Heaven. And the director behind that simple story is Majid Majidi. Majid Majidi is one of the most influential filmmakers of Iranian cinema. His work proves that cinema does not need scale to create impact. It needs truth, observation, and control. He gained international recognition when Children of Heaven was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film. The film follows two siblings who quietly share one pair of shoes after losing the other. There is no villain, no spectacle, yet the tension feels real because the problem feels real. After this, Majidi made films like The Color of Paradise, Baran, and The Song of Sparrows. Across these films, he consistently explores themes of human dignity, social class, disability, and moral choice. He never explains these themes directly. He lets everyday situation carry the meaning. What defines Majid Majidi as a director is restraint. He avoids heavy background scores, he avoids flashy camera work, he avoids emotional manipulation. Instead, he trusts faces, silence, and small actions. Another signature of his cinema is perspective. By telling serious stories through children and vulnerable character, he removes melodrama and brings sincerity. The audience is not told what to feel. They arrive at the emotion on their own. Technically, his films use natural lights, simple compositions, and minimal camera movement. Nothing in the frame exists to impress. Everything exists to serve the story. Majid Majidi's work is important because it shows a different idea of cinema. Cinema that does not shout for attention but earns it through honesty. For filmmakers and students, the lesson is clear. Powerful cinema comes from discipline, not access. When the director steps back, the human story steps forward. That is why Majid Majidi remains one of the most respected humanist directors in world cinema. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe